Hi, I am Fenella, and today I am looking at the Hague 340° Pan and Tilt Powerhead, which is suitable for camera setups that weigh less than 2.7 kilos, which is the equivalent of 6 pounds. The Powerhead is a compact unit that comes supplied with a remote control and a 6-metre extension cable. It is powered by 4 AA batteries. The camera simply attaches to the Powerhead by a standard 1/4" camera screw, and on the base of the unit is a 1/4" threaded hole. This allows you to attach the Powerhead to a tripod, the Hague Powerhead stand, or any other suitable devices. The Powerhead has the ability to tilt the camera plus and minus 15 degrees and will pan 340 degrees. The remote offers variable speed adjustment, and you can pan and tilt the camera at the same time. The unit also has the ability to automatically pan back and forth. When using auto pan setting, it will automatically pan 45, 90 or 340 degrees. And when it's hit that point, it will automatically pan back again. The Hague Pan and Tilt Powerhead 340 is an ideal solution for many situations. It is an easy to use and versatile piece of kit for both photography and filming applications.